Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt from Bravo Outpost and I'm back at Disneyland Paris again. It's a Friday, it's nighttime, it's 8 o'clock and at 9 o'clock the park is closing and the fireworks will happen. Let's go! Panorama Magique is up today, not a lot of wind. And according to qtimes.com, not a lot of people inside the park today, so I hope I'll get a nice spot to view the fireworks tonight. And I'm using the side entrance again. This entrance mostly is very quiet compared to the main entrance. Merci. The first Halloween decorations, those are some ghosts. From what is that? Is that from Haunted Mansion? Some pumpkins here. Very cool decorations here. A purple pumpkin and an orange one. Some more ghosts here. Baseball with a baseball bat. A Mickey pumpkin here, and is that bronze? Oh, that's cool. It's so quiet tonight here. Normally 2-3 hours before the fireworks start, Main Street and this plaza here and the plaza before the castle are so extremely crowded. Well, in summer mostly. Today not so much. We're gonna have a great view, I think, of the projections here in Main Street and the castle, the fireworks, the drones. And they say the best spot is over there when you line up with the Waltz restaurant. Let's find out. It seems as if I missed these tools last time I was here. When I was talking to the cast member, I forgot to check out the store and all of the props they have inside here. Cruella over there. Yeah, very cool. Some more decorations for Halloween already up. Also checking out a band tonight at the Billy Bob's, and maybe after the band the DJ, but I'm not sure. It will depend on my energy level. Okay, only 10 minutes to go.
Bonsoir à vous qui aimez rêver. Ce soir, nous vous invitons à faire un grand voyage rempli de magie et de merveilles. Rejoignez-nous dans 10 minutes pour l'aventure Disney Tales of Magic.
Good evening. Tonight, you are invited on a journey of wonder and discovery. Join us in just 10 minutes' time as we present Disney Tales of Magic.
Okay, here we go.
And now, Disney Tales of Magic.
On nous raconte des histoires merveilleuses remplies de magie.
For as long
I wasn't definitely going to film the whole show, of course. I'm going out of the park now before the crowd goes out, and as you can see here, all these people of the Disneyland Hotel watching the fireworks from their balconies. Well, a shorter video today because this morning at 5:30 a.m. I got up, I went to work, and then after work at 1 p.m. I jumped in my little camper van and I drove here. I arrived here at 7-ish, 8-ish, and went straight into the park after setting up my camper, my bed and everything. Now I'm about to enter the village and go to Billy Bob's because it's Friday, and every Friday and Saturday they do well, little concerts in Billy Bob's, followed up by DJ until mostly 2 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna check out what band is playing today, have a drink, and call it a day. Arrived at village. These booths are still open. The Royal Pub is open, and over there at Billy Bob's there is a funk band, kind of funky music band playing. Okay, arrived at Billy Bob's Country Saloon, and the band is playing at 9:30. It's 9:15. Normally there aren't any tables here, but yeah, they changed it. When the bands are playing, the tables stay, and they are going away when the DJ is playing at 11 p.m. And the nice cast member here at the bar, he sent me upstairs to the bar over here to get a drink. I asked to stand by the bar over there, that was okay too, but I couldn't stand in between the tables. So I'm used to bands playing here and everybody dancing and jiving here in front of the podium when the bands are playing. But I suppose they changed that. Okay, I'm going for a drink. Alright, I got myself a nice Long Island iced tea just before the band is going to start. It's 9:30, so I guess they're up soon.
Well, my friend, the time has come to where the wolf in the house of throw away the world to be done. Let the music play with the body always knowing. Well, show the light, don't believe in everyone. Yeah, show the c'est tous à Vegas, les amours s'y passent. Il faut que tu saches, j'ai cherché ton cœur. Il y a aussi dans tes danses, d'autres dansent les âmes. J'ai cherché ton âme, dans les froids, dans les flammes. Je te jetterai des sorts pour que tu m'aimes encore. Dixie, baby, I'm for you. I'm for love. I'm for you. Like to, I like to hold it, hold it. I like to hold it, hold it. I like to hold it, hold it. You like to.
Alright, I just woke up in my camper. I totally forgot to do the outro of this video. I had a cup of drinks, had a good time, and today I'm going back because it's a Saturday. Stay tuned, and if you like the content that I'm making, maybe consider giving the video a thumbs up, or maybe even subscribe to my channel, and maybe even see you around. Bye bye. I'm looking for Mr. Fathers, but didn't see him yesterday. No.